The following portion of Good Day PA is sponsored by Members First Federal Credit Union, and Michelle Maurer is here to tell us more about personal lines of credit. What does that mean? What is a personal line of credit, and how can it help be a useful option?
Absolutely. So a personal line of credit is a revolving line of credit that you can use for pretty much anything up to a specific limit. So the great thing about a line of credit is as you pay back what you borrowed, it becomes available to you again. And unlike a traditional loan, you only pay interest on what you borrow, which is amazing. So it makes it a cost-effective and flexible option for emergency purchases like medical bills or auto expenses.
So it's different than a credit card.
Yes, it is.
Explain it more for me.
Sure. So although they're both great products and they provide accessibility to funds easily, a personal line of credit typically does have a lower interest rate than a credit card, and also you can link the line of credit to your checking account, and you can transfer funds into your checking account and avoid the cash advance fees that you do see with credit cards. Also, it can help with your spending habits because you're transferring the money into your checking account for your expenses. So it can limit your impulse buying and it can help with budgeting.
Yeah, and I understand it can also help with overdraft protection. Explain how that works.
Sure. So a personal line of credit can be linked to your checking account for overdraft protection. So if you were to accidentally overdraw your account, the line of credit would transfer the funds into your checking account for you to cover the cost, and it would help you avoid overdraft fees, and it's that extra layer of protection for emergencies.
You know, truthfully, it's not something I ever considered. So I'm wondering who might benefit most from this.
Yeah, anybody can benefit from it. If you're looking for a product to help cover emergency expenses, if you're looking to avoid overdraft fees, or if you're just looking for a better budgeting option for your finances, the personal line of credit does provide peace of mind, which is amazing. Also, there's no limitations to what you can use the line of credit for, so it's a flexible lending option for all of your needs.
You know, as you've worked with members over the years with this, are they surprised at like the ease of this and just, I don't know the word, I guess the flexibility it can offer you?
Absolutely. It is an extremely flexible product, and sometimes emergencies happen and you're not expecting them. And if you were to overdraw your account, this is going to prevent you from getting any of those fees and just have that safety net for you for those unexpected things.
Well, then how can folks learn more about a personal line of credit with Members
Sure.
First?
You can click, call, or come into any of our branches. We have over 60 locations, and we're happy to help you and see if this is the best product that will fit your needs.
Super. Well, thanks so much. Good to have you back with us today. The previous portion of Good Day PA was sponsored by Members First Federal Credit Union.